Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Pink Panda Mondays, where we give you a weekly dose of what's going on in the Pink Panda community. First of all, I want to start off by showing you this shirt I just received in the mail. It's the official Big Scottish t-shirt. Really awesome. Look at that. In this episode, we're going to give you a little tour of the official Pink Panda merch store, as well as tell you about the latest airdrop alert partnership with Pink Panda. So we'll start off with the Pink Panda website. Click the little hamburger button in the top right corner. Go over to the merch button. Now you'll see their wonderful selection of Pink Panda merch. They've got the Scottish one like I was wearing before, the embroidered shield logo jersey, Wind Bamboo, the Aaron quote t-shirt. I didn't see this view all button whenever I was shopping, but I wish I had, because that opens up a bunch more options. And holy panda, look at all those new options that popped up. If you're a panda enthusiast such as myself, you will definitely find something that suits your fashion in this store. So yeah, it's pretty much an overview of the store. You want to support us, come in here, pick something up. It'll get shipped directly to your house. All right, so here's the part you guys been waiting for. They got a $1,000 Pink Panda airdrop pool worth 110 billion Pink Panda tokens on airdropalert.com. All you got to do is go there. There's a link on the Pink Panda Telegram. You follow the steps, do what it says on the site, and you'll be entered for a chance to win your portion of the prize. It says 200 participants will receive 300 million Pink Panda tokens, and 10 random winners will receive 5 billion Pink Panda tokens. So there's a lot of Pink Panda to go around. So definitely get in on that if you want some free tokens. I think that's pretty much it for this week. I'll see you guys next week on Pink Panda Mondays. Jaron Craig signing off.